Welcome back, dear viewers, to another exciting episode of Placements Nepal. If you haven't already, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on incredible job opportunities like this one. Your support means the world to us. Today, we have got something truly exceptional lined up for you. We are thrilled to introduce an amazing remote internship opportunity in the world of software development at Bluejay Delivery, located in Sacramento, United States. So let's dive right into it. Bluejay Delivery is not just any logistic company. They are on a mission to deliver packages across the Bay Area with unwavering excellence. They believe in putting their best foot forward no matter the circumstances. And if you are a team-oriented individual who's passionate about excellence, you are about to hear something exciting. Now let's talk about what you will be doing in this role. As a selected intern at Bluejay Delivery, your day-to-day responsibilities will include writing a Java-based web app and deploying it on serverless AWS architecture, creating Google Functions, integration and sheets and forms, writing test cases to ensure the functionality is top-notch, pushing code on Git contributing to the team's success, creating a build pipeline from Git to AWS Lambda deployment. But what do you need to excel in this role? Here are the must-have skills. Hands-on experience in software development, the ability to develop and deploy web apps with minimum oversight, a self-learner with impeccable problem-solving skills. Additionally, experience with Amazon Web Server, Git, Java, JavaScript, and REST APIs will be highly beneficial. Don't worry if you are not an expert yet. You can always earn certificates in these skills along the way. Now let's talk about the eligibility. This opportunity is open to candidates who are available from the work from home internship, can work from 5:30 p.m. to 1:30 a.m. IST, considering the company's local working timings, can start between 26 September 2023 and 31st September 2023, are available for a duration of 3 months, have relevant skills and interest. And here's some fantastic news. Women wanting to start or restart their careers are encouraged to apply. Bluejay Delivery values diversity and inclusion. How can you apply to this internship? So I have provided the link to this application in the video description. Click on that. Then you will come to this interface. This is an intentional platform. You have to make your profile here, then fill all the details and your resume. Then you can directly apply by clicking on this apply button. So if you get selected, they will get back to you by the same platform or you will get a mail. That's a wrap for this incredible job opportunity at Bluejay Delivery. If you meet these requirements and are excited about this opportunity, don't hesitate. Apply now before the deadline on 10th October 2023. Thank you for tuning in to Placements Nepal. If you found this opportunity exciting and informative, please hit that like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing job opportunities. Remember, your dream job might be just one application away. Stay tuned for more updates and until next time, stay motivated, keep learning and chase those dreams. Goodbye.